Good morning students. Last class we discussed about how to calculate the number of gram atoms present in a given substance. Now again same topic, second formula problems. I can explain now. Check it. Formula what? Same topic. How to calculate the number of gram atoms present in a given substance. Formula 2 based questions. What is the second formula? We know that given weight of substance equal to number of gram atoms into gram atomic weight of given substance. This is our formula. So now check it one problem. To calculate the weight of 5 grams of atom of carbon. Problem number 1. Calculate the weight of 5 gram atoms of carbon. What is our question? So calculate the weight of 5 gram atoms of carbon. So now what we have to do? So we can identify, according to question, we can identify the what is given, what is not given. We can identify. Now check it here. Calculate the weight, but which one is given? Gram atoms, number of gram atoms. Now answer equal to number of gram atoms equal to 5 grams. But we know that gram atomic weight of carbon. Gram atomic weight of carbon. What is the atomic weight of carbon? 12. So here atomic weight expressed as grams is called as gram atomic weight. That's why we should write 12 grams. Which one I have to find out? Weight of the substance. Weight of the substance. Is question mark. Now formula we know that first formula, that means number of gram atoms equal to given weight of substance by gram atomic weight of given substance. Here what is there? We know that object, number of gram atoms we know, gram atomic weight of carbon we know. Which one we don't know? Weight of this substance. Here what is there? Number of gram atoms equal to given weight of this substance by gram atomic weight of given substance. Now which one I have to calculate? Given weight of substance. If you need, then the formula should be changes. So given weight of substance equal to number of gram atoms into gram atomic weight of substance. Now so this is applying this value is applying this formula. Now given weight of substance equal to, what is the gram atomic weight of substance? 5 into gram atomic weight of carbon is 12. So 5 into 12, 6. So this is the given weight of substance. How many grams? 60 grams. Next, problem 2. Calculate the weight of 7 grams of gram atoms of nitrogen. Calculate the weight of 7 gram atoms of nitrogen atom. So now what we have to do, we can identify the what is given, what is not given according to question. Now answer, which one is given? So 7 gram atoms, so that means number of gram atoms. Number of gram atoms equal to 7 grams. Next, gram atomic weight of which one? Nitrogen atom. Atomic weight of nitrogen how much, Nana? 14. Atomic weight, gram atomic weight expressed in grams is called as gram atomic weight. That's why we should write 14 grams. Next, which one I have to find out? Weight of the substance. Question mark. Now we know that formula. So weight of the substance equal to number of gram atom into gram atomic weight of nitrogen atom. Weight of substance equal to number of gram atoms into gram atomic weight of nitrogen atom. Now here observe, now value supply in the formula. So number of gram atoms how many is there? 7. Next, gram atomic weight of nitrogen atom how much is there? 14. What is the value? Seven 4 ja 28. 7 into 1 ja 7. So 9 8. So now weight of substance equal to 98 grams. Next, problem 3. calculate the weight of 12-gram atoms of magnesium atom. Calculate the weight of 12-gram atoms of magnesium atom. Now answer is here given is number of atom, number of gram, atoms equal to 12 grams. Next, gram atomic weight of magnesium. We know that atomic weight of magnesium is equal to how much? 24 gram atomic weight of magnesium equal to 24. Here atomic weight expressed in grams is called as gram atomic weight. That's why we should write 24 grams. Which one I have to find out? Weight of the substance. Weight of the substance equal to question mark. We know that formula, weight of substance equal to number of gram atoms into gram atomic weight of magnesium. Gram atomic weight of magnesium. Now these values apply in the formula, we get weight of this substance. So number of gram atoms, how many is there? How much is there? 12 into 24 gram atomic weight of. What is the value? 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. Next 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 2, 2. Weight of the substance equal to, here final one, weight of the substance equal to 288. So this is calculations. Next, another some problems we can do based on the third formula. We know that what is our third formula? Which one I have to find out? Gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight of substance equal to number. So here given weight of substance, given weight of substance by number of gram atoms. Now calculate the gram atomic weight of carbon in 5 gram atoms present in 60 grams of carbon atom. Calculate the question. Gram atomic weight of carbon in 5 grams, in 5 gram atoms present in 60 grams of carbon atom. Here, carefully listen and calculate the gram atomic weight of carbon in 5 gram atoms present in 60 grams of carbon atom. Here, now what is given, what is not given, we can identify. Then which one you have to calculate, we can identify according to question. Now here, number of gram atoms given, number of gram atoms equal to 5 grams. Next, given weight of substance, how much is there? 60 grams. Given weight of carbon equal to how much is there? 60 grams. Next, which one I have to calculate? Gram atomic weight of carbon equal to question mark. But we know that formula, number of gram atoms equal to given weight of substance by gram atomic weight of substance. Here we know that number of gram atoms given weight of substance by gram atomic weight. Here we know two values. What are that? Number of gram atoms we know, given weight of substance we know. We don't know gram atomic weight of substance. The formula should be changes. Gram atomic weight of substance equal to given weight of substance by number of gram atoms. Now these values apply in the formula. Now here, given weight of substance, how much is there? 60. Next, number of gram atoms, how much is there? 5. What is this value? 5 1 ja, 5 12 ja, equal to 12. So gram atomic weight of substance, how much? 12 grams. So this is how to calculate the number of gram atoms present in a given substance for atoms. Next class we discuss about how to calculate the number of atoms present in a given substance.